Here's three things you should know about filing your workplace discrimination case. My name is attorney Cynthia Petruca, and I am the host of the Worker Value Show. Today I'm going to talk about things you should pay attention to when you're filing a discrimination case. The first thing that's very important to remember is you must notify your employer. This is a requirement before you file a formal discrimination charge because if your employer is not aware of your concerns, they have no duty or responsibility to make any changes to your work environment. It's really important that you are clear in communicating your concerns. One tip that I give my clients is if you're going to complain about workplace discrimination, you better actually complain about discrimination. And what I mean by this is you must actually articulate that you feel like you're being discriminated against based on something. It's got to be a protected class. That can be something like your race, your color, your religion, your disability, your age, and other various protected classes. But make sure you're very specific. I feel like I'm being discriminated against because I'm a woman. Don't just say that your boss is mean or that you're mistreated. Be very specific. The second thing you should know about filing a workplace discrimination case is you must document. You are responsible and have the burden to prove your case. That means it's not up to your employer necessarily to have the documents in place that you need. You need to keep a catalog of everything that's happening, put things into email, into text messages. If you don't have a job that allows you to use a computer or you don't have a work email address, make sure that you are keeping copies of any written documents, either things that are printed out and given to you as a hard copy format or things that are handwritten by a handwritten note. It's very important to document. The third thing you need to know about filing a workplace discrimination case is to watch your deadlines. You really want to make sure that you're ahead of all deadlines in your case. If you're filing with the Federal Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or the EEOC as they go by, you want to make sure that you have filed within their timelines. Contact your local EEOC office if you're curious about your deadlines, or go onto their website and check out their deadlines there. Lastly, if you need to get legal help, make sure that you do that as soon as possible so that you understand what your deadlines are and you can move forward as quickly as possible.